Good day, good morning, good day, good evening. How you doing? Greetings everyone, how do you feel today? What's up guys? What's up everyone? Welcome guys, welcome. Great to see you folks. Great to see you on board. We're ready to shine and we're ready to trade the markets. We're ready to continue our lovely winnings. Great to see you. Make sure to share the video with all the community members, pretty much everywhere, as usually. We're live. Yeah, we have a lot of the news coming in less than 2 minutes. A lot of the major news. Rat-full news in 2 minutes, guys. So do not trade tap on futures, the elite accounts. The elite daily. Don't trade the elite daily. Do not. Wait. 4 minutes window. Wait. Great. So we got the schedule for today. 200,000 prop firm giveaways if we hit 250 likes. 200 grand if we hit 250 likes. Good morning, great to see you. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Appreciate it. Appreciate it so hard. We're out here, an unbelievable community. Unbelievable. There you go. Watching the price action closely. We're gonna trade YRM during this situation. $6,000 in 4 days on our 150k instant funded, guys, for the YRM. Still running massive promotions on board. YRM is going to have some massive adjustments, improvements, upgrades, new platforms, and a lot of the things happening in the next period for YRM, guys. It's going to be in a total expansion. Total expansion. Couple of seconds to go. And we got the news coming out. A lot of them. Look at that. All these boys out here. Oh! Ho ho! Look at that. Testing out along. Testing out along. We just dropped 170 points. Oh, wow. That was a big one, guys. That was a big one. Testing a little long here. And I'm gonna be out quite soon. You like this candle, right? Let's have a look into the 5 minutes. Look at that one. Pretty obnoxious. Trading around yesterday low here. Could get supported. Pretty dangerous that we close like that and we're missing the reaction so far. Pretty dangerous. Oh, look at that one, guys. Non-farm employment change massively on minus. Minus 92,000 from the 58,000 expected, guys. These are the news that are actually bothering us. But I'm out for the moment with a couple of contracts there. And I'm leaving the rest of it open. Right? In case the next candlestick is still green. I'm out. Lovely, $552 on YRM, 150,000. Thank you so much, guys. That's an important profit. You know why? Because I hit the target of the day. 552 is what I need. Hey, come on, guys. That's a great way to kickstart the last day of the week. YRM massive promotions is what they do. But let me just get back and share the presentation here in pretty much all the trading groups as usually. Make sure you guys do the same thing. We gotta hit that 250 likes today, otherwise we're not gonna do the 150,000 Lucid Flex. Right, so 150,000 Lucid Flex will be on board if we hit that milestone. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Cheers everyone. Good morning. Good evening, buddy. Certainly bad labor. Certainly, guys. Yeah. The non-farm employment change is massively on the other side. Unemployment is slightly higher, but a huge difference here is the non-farm employment change, which stands for the change in the number of employed people during the previous month, excluding the farming industry. Minus 92,000 compared to the 58,000 expected. That's certainly a situation for 160 or 170 points drop. Yeah, the market makers are buying this whole thing back. Happy Friday, great to see you. 552 here. Let me see how many days we have. We have 5 days and we have 6,600. The target is at 8,000 for the 150,000 instant funded YRM. Right. Here's the account, the Instant Prime. With my code is 50% off instead of 40, so I have an additional 10% from the original price, which is 900, and that's 90 bucks. So instead of 540, with my code is 450. Pretty much on this website, on this prop firm, I have additional discount on top of the discount the company is giving. Right, so 450 for the 150k account, 6,000 bucks drawdown, $3,000 payout once you hit 8,000. 8,000 is less than the industry standards of 6% as a target for the payout. Right, so 6,600, we still need to trade 3 more days. And we got to do 1,400 in 3 more days. Which is why I'm going to daily lockout from this account, confirm, trading the web-based deep charts with Volumetrica. Everything's running smooth, guys. Yeah. Certainly. Going to the next account. It's putting a lot of the pressure on Fed right now. It's putting a lot. Gold is pumping. Gold is pumping. Real time. This is straight up. Ho ho. Really powerful. The XI is suffering, obviously. BTC on the other side. Not much happening for the Bitcoin. For the crypto space, not much going on, guys. It is currently a dead market compared to the expectations. Like the video, guys. Come on. Yeah. 250 likes to do the 150,000 Lucid Flex. Testing out a short here. 30 micros. I'm out. $852 profit. $852 profit, just like that. Just like that. That's very good, guys. Guess what? I'm not going to trade this one anymore today. That's very important money. 852. We're still below the original balance. We had some losses on this account. 831. Destiny. I just made 852 and I'm out for this account too. Right, so on YRM. 2 out of 2. Good profits. Back into Trade-O-Vate. Let's trade our Tap on Futures Elite Daily. And I'm testing out some longs. If we get deep back to levels around the 50s. We'll see. I partially sold and accepted a partial loss. And I'm gonna buy cheaper. Right, we're gonna have some limit orders there. Bring it down. Sorry to hear that, guys. Business lens, you gotta create a new one. I need a bouncing here. Need a bouncing here. Let's see if we get it. I've DC'd right now a little more. Couple of points away from our entry. We've DC'd on the, you know, valuable spots. This is a valuable spot where I could see a bouncing into levels around the 800s. Otherwise, I'm gonna cut it away. Otherwise, I'm gonna cut you away. We got some good profits on this account. This is an important candlestick, guys. The one we're trading right now. I don't want to see a rejection in this one, which could actually turn pretty ugly. Yeah. Had to sell partially. Had to sell partially. Not looking too exciting. Had to accept the partial loss. Opening my quant tower with Lucid Flexes. Now it should be working. Will it just bounce from this perfect spot? Was a retest of the 35, 36. That was it. I can't trust it right now for the downside. Unless we see some significant rejections when we try to bounce. And then we continue press. Oh, look at that, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna... At the end of this green candle we're trading here, I'm gonna exit market order. So if we break below the wick, I'm gonna simply exit market order. Sell stop right there. Sell stop right there. We've set our stop loss in place. If we don't bounce here, it's a mistake to be in a long. Was expecting something like this, right? We have a stop loss there. It has not been touched, but it can easily get touched. Yeah, we touched the stop loss there. We were brought back to almost original balance. We only have 54 bucks here. So we were brought back to the starting point. Can't do much about it. Ho ho, look at that. We just pressed the button, guys. Might touch that weekly 682. Right, 682 daily weekly opening. I'm trading trade of it for Top 1 Futures Elite Daily accounts. Their new model, payout frequency daily, with no consistency on the funded stage, guys. Right, I have a review video about it. You can find it out. $6.94. $6.82 is the level. We have the daily, weekly opening. Not the daily opening, sorry guys. Brutal price action, brutal. Testing out some longs from here, right? Hopefully we get a little bouncing. Back to last week's low from here. DCA'd a little bit. Risky, guys, risky. Risky. Pretty good profit so far. I sold quite a lot. I'm fully out. 994. That's very important, guys. 994. Very, very important here. Yep. 994 profit. We're gonna celebrate, guys. Scrambo's on fire with that. Because these are accounts in the evaluation phase, in the challenge phase for the Elite Daily. Elite Daily is the new model for tap on futures, daily payouts once you become funded, and no target, right? Sweet. You see how we made our money for the two accounts in YRM quite quickly. Right before all this madness happened. $994. Yeah. A good level to monetize. Last week's low and the weekly. We have a good combination here. That's a good level to monetize. But we're pretty aggressive so far, guys. From 910 all the way down to 666 is the amount of volatility we have this day. Oh my gosh. Good job, Martinez. Good job. Congratulations, guys. Make sure to join our Discord. We gotta hit 250 likes. And we have like an hour and 10-15 minutes to go. Right? We have 90 likes. So if you want to do the 150k Lucid Flex, we need to hit 250 likes. Testing out along from here, guys. We just undercut right now. Lovely reaction, trust me. Lovely reaction. Now, mate, the only thing is needed here is just to hold it, right? That's the only thing. Smashing through the guys here. Crazy. 2 seconds ago, I was break even. Now I'm minus 300. A second ago, I was minus 500. Yeah. Come on. I've DCA'd right now in this candle. I've DCA'd, guys. I can smell something. Ha 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 ha. I can smell something. Sell limit right there. Sell limit over here. Sell limit. Sell limit. Come on, guys. Ha ha. Just a little bit higher. I'm not fully exiting. I actually sold partially. I'm fully out here. Lovely. How much did we made? 1,569. Pure profit. 1,569, and we have 104,237, guys. Celebration time. We only need $1,800 here, and we make this account funded. Plus, right now we have a drawdown of 4,200, a max loss of 4,200. It's no longer 3K, right? It's more because we made above 103. We earned our drawdown, and that's just great, guys. Oh my gosh, this is having so much potential, guys. So much potential. We need 1,800 more and we get funded for daily payouts. Then we only need to make the buffer, and above the buffer we're gonna do daily payouts, guys. That's gonna be the juicy part. Above the buffer we're gonna do the daily payouts, which I'm proud of if we get there. This account we made earlier, 994. I think I'm gonna trade a little more on it. We're pressing the button, guys. We're pressing the button. Yeah. I've DC'd a little bit. I've DC'd a little bit. But the trend is obviously against my trade. It's against my trade. Yet I'm out here. I can smell the exits. I'm fully out. 1,736, guys. 1,736. Time for another fireworks show. That's just lovely. We brought this account to 104,002. Guess what? 2,000 more here as well, and we become funded with daily payouts. Scramble coupon code maximum discount. Look at that. No consistency on the funded place. No consistency. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Look at the price section. That green candle we just had, it totally disappeared. So I've been making money by longing in this movement, which is clearly telling you how I long at which liquidity places. So in this movement, I've been making money by longing, and I made close to 2,000 bucks in 2 accounts by longing there. I can feel, I can smell. No, I have not been moved to live. I actually had a break from trading top on futures for a couple of weeks and so. But now, since they have their new products, Elite Daily, I'm gonna force it as much as possible to have those daily payouts. We got 3 accounts of 100,000, and we're trying to see how we can move from here. One of the accounts with today's losses, Let me share with you. I'm fully transparent, guys. So this account lost 3 grand. You know, this account is having a $50 drawdown left. This is the first one we traded today. This is having $54 drawdown left. 54. So probably this is going to be out. I'm trying to long it here, but I can't even long it. It's already gone. It's already gone. This one, right? So out of the 3 we bought at a time, this has been launched like 3 days ago. 1 is gone. 2 more is left. And on both we have 104. This one made 1,736 today. And the other one is 104, 200 with 1,569 today. So we're having have more than 4 payouts, but on different accounts. We had more than 60 grand from top one during the last 6 months. More than 60 grand. Can't waste time on it. Can't even open up a trade with that one. They're no longer allowing me. Right, so 2 accounts at 104 are in a great shape. I'm targeting to bring them both unfunded. I mean, the daily payout is just crazy with that one, right? And making money from longs in this market conditions is a whole different thing. Yeah, we'll reset. Plus, we made great profits on 2 accounts for YRM. This one 552. Might be going for a little more today here. Yeah. Somewhere around this level, guys. Somewhere around this level. This price action, you can't really chase the movements to the upside. But if you long, at a time the market is undercutting, you always get the bounce. You always get the bounce. Look at that. Right? So the market is undercutting, which means it does this. This one right here, guys. Watch my screen. It does this. And you long it there. So with the bounce you're receiving, which will not be a reverse in the trend, but that bounce you're receiving is going to be sufficient for you to make some money. And you saw the money we made. So I'm putting my longs here. Oh, account is paused. It's paused because I did a daily lockout earlier on this. Ha ha ha. And then the other one with 852. Yeah, we can trade this one. We're gonna do this, guys. We're gonna test out. Yeah, there is basically different situations of taking payouts. When you're taking a payout, it's good to connect it with multiple payouts, right? So what do I mean by that? Let's say an account, and this is valid for all the firms. We just got front run, guys. So that green candle you see should have been after my limit orders would have been touched. But they're silly, and they're doing this to me because they're seeing the stream, and they do the opposite. However, let's just keep the jokes aside and explain you something very important, guys. Watch my screen. You're trading an account, and you bring it to the payout. Instead of requesting the payout, just keep it there on pause. You don't have to trade on it, right? Just keep it there on pause. Do not request the payout from it. And instead of doing requesting, right? What do? You trade the next accounts and you bring more to this payout category ready to be paid out. like a category like that, ready to be payout accounts. And instead of doing a single payout, you do 3 or 5, depending what's the maximum. So then the firm is considering a single payout for you. Right? So you bring as many as possible in this category, and then you execute a single payout on all the accounts. And it will be counted as a single payout. Instead of burning your payouts by doing solo payouts, bring 3, 4, 5 accounts ready for the payout, and then you request a different value, a total different value. And it's just counted as a single payout. You can do that with any firm. You can do that with any firm. So make sure to join our Discord, guys. Here's the Discord link. You gotta be part of our Discord community to participate in the giveaways. I'm saying this once again. Complete the form, and we need 250 likes to hold our giveaways today. 250 likes is the target. Probably we're going to stay. Good job, Purple Ninja Facts. Correct. You always have to fill up the form because each day we have a new link for giveaways. Each giveaway is particular. So each day you have to sign up for the form. Good morning, welcome guys. Great to see you on board. We have been front run again. This is the first time, this is the second time. You see they're no longer respecting the pattern we just had here. Yet there is not much momentum going on for the bulls. Bouncings are slow. Yes. For example, right now, the Sim Pro accounts, they allow you 10 accounts of the Sim Pro. 10. Instead of requesting payouts in a solo way, right? So you brought the account to the target you request. No. Bring multiple accounts to the payout stage before you request a single payout. It will be counted as a single payout. With prop firms, we have to consider our payouts are like bullets of opportunities. We shouldn't waste these bullets with single account payouts. We should bring the accounts to payouts, wait for more accounts ready to be payout, and kind of take the maximum if possible. Right? That's a very recent strategy. They have no protection against these prop firms. They don't have protection, guys. With intraday is harder. I mean, intraday needs to be quite close limit order exits, right? Smaller targets, and you need a higher efficiency, a higher performance rate in terms of percentage. You have a higher win rate necessity there, because you can't really let winners run when you have intraday. You can't really afford volatility there. You certainly have to take the profits as quickly as they appear and take advantage of that building slowly, right? So it is a model that requires to be a good scalper. I've made money from both SimPro and the end of the day instant funded, right? Instant sim funded and the SimPro. These are the two accounts we made our money. Nothing has been filled up here. Yeah, good job, Sebastian. I mean, you gotta keep around the fact that each company will limit the number of payouts you can do. So instead of doing just a single account payout, better wait till you have multiple. For example, at Lucid. Oh, Matty. Yeah. Last day, you certainly have to trade the same way like you traded up to date. You know, usually people tend to try to trade differently because it's the last day. Exactly. Lucid is totally different. Yes. Yes, it's different. Are we going to bounce? Lovely. Sell limit. Sell limit. I could also accept 500. I'm out. 1,535 bucks totally, guys. Look at that one. We made like $700 here. $700 profit, you see? Daily lockout on the other account. Couldn't trade it. No daily lockout on this one. I made the money here. Prop firms did not escape. I'm right there, taking the bread and butter. And look at the red candle coming in. You see, this red candle would have just wiped out everything. I've made money in this context, utilizing specific strategy, guys. There's no way in this price section you allow yourself to dream about 3, 4, 5 green candlesticks in a row. Ha ha ha. No, you gotta buy when the market is undercutting and then sell at the top of that single candle. At the top of that single candle, guys. Do not expect one more is gonna come in. It's not. No, Top 1 Elite is not moving you live after 3 pounds. 3 pounds would mean 3 days. 3 days, like no. You can take your 3 pounds in 3 days, right? 3 different days. Imagine Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Just to give the firms a little breathing time and just to give yourself time to spend the money, right? Monday, Wednesday, Friday. No, they're not going to move you to live after 3 payouts from the daily elite. No. They'll let you make some money, which is why bring as many possible to the payout stage before you press the button of requesting the payout. Bring an account there, stop trading it, but don't request the payout till you bring more. Does that make sense to you guys? I'm sure it makes sense. And that's how you can trick the firms. That's how you're smarter than the firms. That's how you can escape being moved to live without maximizing and juicing the whole thing. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Have a lovely day, lovely time out here. We are watching the whole picture. We need 250 likes. We're 225 on stream. We need 250 likes. You guys don't want to do 150,000 Lucid Flex today? I'm just questioning and I'm asking. Like, I'm not forcing it. I can use the account. Not YOLO. What do you mean by YOLO? Not gambling your trades. No, you trade properly. You trade properly. BTC is down. Big time. Big loser on the BTC. No, I mean to trick the prop firms in a different way, not to YOLO. If you YOLO against yourself. You don't YOLO against the firm. Prop firms will enjoy if you just YOLO about the business. No. But what I said is to try to do payouts in a chunk instead of solo accounts payouts. This way you're gonna make more money. 250 likes is the goal. This is an interesting account we have here, guys. Let me show you something. For those of you that are upset, what's this license and stuff? No. So this is the account I care. For those of you that are upset when you have a day like this, take a look at that one. We're just, you know, take a look at that one. We lost 4,800 in a single day. And we made that back. You just have to be continuously trading consistently the way you were trading to that moment. And things will come back. 1,500. Right? This is the YRM, guys. Maximum discount is right there. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Even the other account, which is close to the payout, it looks like this. 5 days. Same thing. 4 days around 4,500 average. And then today 500. It's all about positioning strategically for as many payouts possible. So instead of just requesting them one by one, you better do it differently. That's a very nasty price action, I'm telling you. Very nasty. And they're playing dirty games. $630s, look at that. Now it's time to lock myself out of this one too. Daily lockout. We made enough. The giveaway is during the stream as soon as I finish trading. I haven't started yet trading Lucid accounts. We traded our Trade of It accounts from Tap on Futures Elite Daily. Yep. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. No, I haven't traded the NFP candle downside. I actually longed it at some point. Exactly, Victor. Yeah, I've locked myself out of the 2 accounts here that we're having on YRM. Out of the 3 fund that we've got, one of it is waiting for the payout, and the other 2 hit their targets. Plus, a very important thing. This account is $1,400 from the payout. It has 156 600s, and we still have to trade for 3 days. So if we earn like $450, $500 a day, we're gonna qualify for the payout, and that's just great, guys. Formulas here, and it works. You want to test it out? It works. Setting up a copy trader here for Lucid. Good, we've set up a copy trader for Lucid, guys. Lucid Flex's copy trading. I want to bring as many possible into the funded stage. Evaluation and instant funded, there is a major difference between. An evaluation account requires you to pass the evaluation stage before you get funded, right? So in order to have a funded account, which is the purpose of your activity, because you can only withdraw, you can only request money from a funded account. Before having a funded account, if you're buying an evaluation, you have to pass the evaluation. Usually evaluations are cheaper. Because of that, you have to pass the evaluation, pass the test, pass the challenge, and then you become funded. So then you restart trading from scratch in the funded stage. And that's the place when you hit your target, or the payout conditions, depends where you're trading, then you can request your payout. If you buy the instant funded, you skip the evaluation phase. You don't go through that phase. You are directly trading for the payout. That's the difference. Yeah, tap on futures is different because they have end of the day drawdown, intraday drawdown, right? The instant sim funded for tap on futures is end of the day drawdown. This one is end of the day drawdown, right? So your drawdown, your max loss is not following, is not trailing during the day, is not doing that. Meanwhile, for the sim pro accounts, which is still straight to funded, instant funded, the drawdown is trailing during the day. It's intraday. It's following you during the day depending on how you trade, guys. Yeah, Lucid is top level, exactly. That's how we're trading. We're trading the Lucid big time. A lot of the trades I've been doing today. 250 likes. We have around 35-40 minutes to go to hit that 250 likes. If we don't hit it, we're not going to do 150k Lucid Flex. If we hit the target of the giveaway, we will do 150k Lucid Flex. Thank you guys, appreciate it. There you go. We're going to do copy trading Lucid Flex 150,000. 4 accounts. 4. 4 accounts will be copy traded. There's less than 3 minutes. 3 minutes to go. And we bought 2 more. Tap on futures. 100,000 elite daily. Right? We bought 2 more of 100,000. We're going to trade them today as well. So we're having 4 total right now. When I say flat open, it usually refers to the hourly starting candlestick, right? Hourly starting candlestick. When we start a new candlestick of 1 hour, I call it a flat open. There's also a technical approach when you say flat open for a candle, and that means basically this situation when the candlestick is not having a wick above it or below, depending, right? It opens and it's having 0 price action in the opposite direction, and the whole candle of 5 minute or whatever time frame we talk about is having a one directional move during the entire time frame selected. That's a flat candlestick, and usually those flat situations are not remaining untouched like the gaps. And we have one here, guys. It is sitting around $35, right? 735. For the opening, I am aiming for the big volatility, guys, and nothing else. Like, I just cannot dive into and speculate because yeah, Pro Lucid is great too. I'm going to post a video about the Lucid Pro, which has been updated, and I'm going to bring it down up to date, guys, for you. Less than 2 minutes to go. I want to trade the opening, but it's not going to be easy. Yeah. Good job, guys. Thank you so much. I'm trading flexes, no consistency on the funded stage, so I can leave the winners produce. Yesterday's low, 772. Plus the daily VWAPs weekly, way above 850s, way above. We're so down right now. Yeah, careful, guys, of undercutting at the opening. Careful of doing this. There's a possibility here. You just take the liquidity that has been built below this candlesticks there, right? Careful of that. If the markets wants to reverse, that's a pretty good spot. What's the reason for them to... Thank you so much, guys, for joining. There's 20 seconds to go. The market opens. Keep in touch. If you want the 150,000 Lucid Flex 200 grand total giveaways for today, we need to hit 250 likes. And we still have about 35-40 minutes. So we still have to collect 70-80 likes in this time. Otherwise, we are not doing the 150k Lucid Flex. Ding, ding. Opening bell out here for you. On the weekly opening. I'd be testing a short here, guys. Testing a short here. Looks like we're ripping. But I'm gonna wait. Of these seed. And I got in a short for trade of 8 too. Lovely, right? Stop loss break even, guys. Stop loss break even. Stop loss at the top of this candle. Ha 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 ha. Bring it down. Come on, guys. Should have exited there. But I'm gonna leave it open. Nah, so silly pressure here. So silly. This could have been so nice. Yeah, 384. Oh my gosh. This should have been so nice to the other side. 384 with the opportunity of making way more. We traded our first day of top 1 futures here. New account we just got. We made 232. Right? I've also shorted here. I'm using Lucid prop firm for Quant Tower. I think there is going to be a short here. Well, let's see. Let's see if we successfully get to those 630s. I want to see if we get to that 630s. Otherwise, I'm going to cut it. 630s, or I'm gonna cut you. Three minutes short. Yeah. Stop loss right there. Whew. At the top of the candle, stop loss. Openings are risky. Yeah. We touched that stop loss there. It's today's low. Yellow dashed stands for today's low. We traded here. We made 1,069 for trade of 8. 1,069. I think I'm reshorting this a little bit. Without going greedy about it. Shorting without going greedy about it. Not looking bad. Still holding on. I'm out. Lovely. 1,851, guys. Lovely profit there, I'm telling you. Lovely profit there. I've been speaking about a 630s. Thank you, guys. Look at that. The short idea is valid for the moment. Should not be underestimated. The short idea is valid. Good day, good morning. Great to see you guys. Thank you so much for joining. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. These are the mandatory conditions to participate in the giveaway. 630. We brought it to 630s. That's what I talked about since the opening. Yeah. Lovely pressure. Lovely pressure. Ha 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 ha. I got in a little long from here. Got in a little long from here. I wouldn't mind making an extra 300, 400, 500 bucks, right? Have DC8 again in the candlestick. Let's see. And that was quite close. We had like 400 bucks. Come on, guys. Push this one. Push it back. 500. Give me some good strength. Sell. Sell limit. We got the sell limit around the 60s. We used to have supply there on the 1 minute. Bring it up, guys. Come on. Bring it up. Lovely, lovely. I'm fully out. There you go. How much did we made? 2,936, guys. This is the first day. I think it's a little bit too much, right? Because it's a 45% consistency on a 6,000 target. Do the math quickly, guys. What's the maximum day? 45% consistency, 6,000 target, guys. 45% consistency, 6 grand target. Like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Tell me, what's the highest point? Tell me, guys. I know on 50% it would be 3 grand, but on 45, what is it? 2,000 and what? Because I know I have to lose. I don't think 2,900. I think I have to lose some money here. Do the math, guys. 45% consistency on 6,000, 2,700. Great. So I should lose $236 here. Great. I'm glad I've stopped trading the flex accounts where we lost 3 grand. We gotta lose 200 bucks. We're gonna short this. I'm out. We still have to lose 144. I'm shorting. Out. We still have to lose 21 bucks. Shorting again. Look at that. I think we shorted the top. We're making money instead of losing. We have 2 micros short. Look at the amount of money it is possible to make with micros. 2 micros. 150 bucks. Just like that. Still want to lose like 20-30 bucks, guys. I want to bring it below 2,700. I'll be DCing here. I'm out. There you go. That's fine. $2,688 for today. Celebration time. That's a great performance. That's a great performance. Continuing our journey. Looks pretty solid, guys. Looks pretty solid. If last week's low and the weekly holds here, we're gonna run this one back to 850s. But we have a pretty long wick here for the 5 minute. Not to have any touches on that is kind of weird. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Welcome everyone, thank you guys. So we have about 25 minutes to go. Minimum 250 likes. Keep that in mind. 25 minutes to go, minimum 250 likes. We're sitting at 193. We still need 60 likes. for 150k Lucid Flex giveaway. I just put everything in the chat. We traded Lucid, we traded Trade of 8 with Top 1 futures, and we traded our YRM accounts. Thinking about Lucid, we do have a lot of other accounts too there. Thank you so much, by the way, for joining. Let me have a message here for next week. On the 9th and 10th, no streaming. Monday, Tuesday, on the 9th and 10th. No streaming. I'll have a break, guys. I'm going with family and kids around. Look at that. So on the 9th, which is Monday, 10th, Tuesday, no streaming. Next week. I'll take a break, going with the kids, traveling a little bit, enjoying taking a nap. Taking some time off. Not because I'm tired. I'm never tired from doing this. It's just because they want to travel. But it's unknown for me. It's going to be a surprise for me. I got no idea where are we going, guys. I got no idea. What a strong move. What a strong move here. Yeah. Supply is there. 700 is strong. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Monday, Tuesday, we're going to be off. I'll post videos on my channel. I just film some videos and we're going to have them schedule it. I don't have Instagram, guys. I don't do social media stuff. Hi, Tom G. There you go. We'll cheer up for you. Exactly. No other questions? No further questions asked. But look at that supply. Look at that 700 supply. How many people got trapped here? Hoping the market is going. Finally, it's blowing. Finally, we're moving. Where? No. Market makers will milk you guys on Monday and Tuesday. There's no one to protect you. Monday to Tuesday, market makers will milk you. There's no one to protect you. They will be milking our traders. I'm gonna have my thoughts with you guys for Monday, Tuesday. Are we bouncing here? Hopefully. Hopefully we do, because we need. I know you guys wanted to bounce there. I know you guys want to do that. You want the market makers to bounce so hard at this level, this is what you long, guys. Yeah. I'm 100% sure some of you got in longs there. Today it is more about knowing whether you long or short, how to quickly exit, because the market makers will not give you that many chances. So what's the statistics? 234 likes. 234 likes. Looks like we have advanced quickly, guys. We got 50 likes in 5 minutes. $50 likes in a couple of minutes. We got it along here, guys. A challenge. Maybe I'm a little bit too aggressive. I'm selling basically 5 contracts. I've cut my position in half. There you go. Elite daily is daily, exactly. Daily payouts, elite daily. Oh my gosh, another rejection. Oh my gosh. She's crazy. My limit order is going to be somewhere around that level, 732 for the exit. I've DC'd a little. End of the day drawdown, yes. End of the day. Look at that one, guys. Hopefully we don't get dropped here. Come on, guys, just a little more. I'm out. 4,388. Celebration time. We haven't touched the markets on all the previous candles and wicks. Look at that. We just touched the markets now when it actually went to the top side realistically. Boom. That speaks volume, right? We haven't touched the markets in the previous situations. No. In all the wicks, you see how many times we tried to go and fight for highs. How many times did we try, guys? I haven't touched anything during those times. I just snapped into right now when we actually get a strong green candle. Scrambles and fire, prop firms getting terrified, exactly. Come on. Oh, you gotta join our Discord. You just cannot underestimate that, guys. It's, you know, our community right there. Strong and healthy. Rich people. Juicing the firms. And then look at that. Look at that markdown. Look at that angry markdown. Market makers didn't catch me. Market makers, hey, sit back. Sit down. If you're comparing Lucid Pro, well, Lucid Pro, you don't... I think Lucid Flex is better from the standpoint of not having consistency on the funded stage. For a lot of the people, that is interesting, guys. So that's why comparing to the Lucid Pro. Flex is no consistency on target for the funded stage. Meanwhile, the Pro is having. I can't pass this evaluation. I need to do 9,000, but I have 50% consistency, so I have to do the half of the 9 grand. Yes, the vacation, the holiday for Monday, Tuesday, guys, it's paid by the market makers. That's right. Terry Smith is the guy that smartly recognized that. Just got something in my post mail, and I was looking at it. It just says market makers. From market makers. Open it. And it was a holiday. And they said, get the hell out of here and move Monday, Tuesday. You gotta move. Get your ass out of the office and move. So I just executed, guys. Yep. I think Savius is having that license. Savius prop firm. Get the ducks out of here and stop doing sack races. Yesterday we had a sack race, guys. And I was laughing so hard. Yesterday we were having a sack race. Let me create a pool and ask chat if they want to do other than just ducks. Only ducks. I made a pool, guys. I made a pool. Let me know. Let me know, guys. What do you think? Only ducks, or you want ducks plus other type of races? Tell me. If you want a sack race or other things, that you want to say ducks plus other. Because we have 2 giveaways. Very likely we're going to have 2 giveaways for today. Very likely. So one will be the duck race, and the other giveaway will be something else. You gotta tell me and vote. But we'll always have ducks, no matter what. It's an interesting buy here. We have nicely made money, guys, on that green candle, right? And I've exited. For the moment, we have 58% going only for ducks. They don't want a sack race or other stuff. We're still waiting for more votes. It was hilarious, yeah. See, 47 likes. A few more will be needed. Come on, guys. So like the video, be subscribed, join the Discord. I'm gonna drop you the links here. Helicopter is flying around. You might hear that. Never been in a helicopter, guys. Think it's a good idea to have a nice ride on a helicopter. 50 and 50% right now. Ducks with Ducks plus other. Come on, guys. Vote in the pool. Never been on a helicopter. Think I'm gonna do it. Yes. Diving, yes. Skydiving, no. No skydiving. Yes, Dubai is very, very cheap. I think it's maybe 1,000 or something like that. Savius. Yeah, Savius is having. Here's the Savius link. Horrendous price action. Horrendous. 55% only for Ducks. Look at that, guys. Ho ho! We're still leaving the pool. We're still leaving it open. Really small inside, yes. But look at that buying pressure, that gaming, guys. You just cannot underestimate that. You just cannot underestimate. Well, hopefully, we're not going to have the market makers pushing some windy days on the schedule. They have the ability to not only control the markets, but also to control the weather. And if I go on a helicopter ride, they will do a fat finger, right? They will do a fat finger on my chart of riding. It's going to be challenging, guys. But look at that explosion on the flat hourly. What happened here? We just did 100 points. We just did 100 points. Crazy. 56% says only Ducks. They don't like the sack race and other ideas I have. 256 likes, so we hit the milestone. Congratulations. We will do 150,000 Lucid Flex today. Yes, we will do. Max loss limit daily, how much? On which firm? Where? Which account? Which firm? What are we talking about? Give us some context. There is no daily max loss in the evaluation stage. There is a daily max loss in the funded stage. Right? In the funded stage only, and for the 100k it is 1,250. Chris, 1,250 for the 100k daily loss limit on the funded stage. On the evaluation stage, you don't have a daily loss. Here we have it. Look at that pump, guys. They're not playing games here. They are not playing games here. So we got 57% going only for Ducks. Alright guys, so we're only going to have ducks today, because 57% voted for that, and 161 votes. We're gonna have another pool, one more pool. Listen up for the questions. 150k flex. One number on the wheel, two numbers, or three options on the wheel. How many numbers on the wheel? How many entries on the wheel? Respond, guys, in the pool. How many entries? A single entry, two entries, or three entries on the wheel? Think about. You have to be part of our Discord. You have to like the video and be subscribed to our YouTube channel to participate in the giveaway. How many entries you guys want for the Lucid Flex giveaway? You want 3 entries? 3 numbers? I'll have like 1, 2, 3. 3 different numbers. If we have a single number, then everyone is going to qualify. You don't want a 100% ratio to qualify in the duck race. There's like 20%. So we're gonna have 3 numbers on the wheel. Yeah. So we're gonna have very likely 3 numbers on the wheel from what you guys are voting here. Yeah. It's clear. That's decision. 3 numbers on the wheel. Duck race. Thank you guys. Yes. You get access to my discounted and negotiated from Savius Rajito. Yes. So we have exclusive discounts. We have exclusive campaigns with Savius, exclusive ones. Right now, the 25,000 and the 100,000 are 60% off, as far as I know. But you will always see that with my code inside the account. What is the exclusive discount? Otherwise, it's I'm always negotiating on the discounts and campaigns with Savius and with other firms too. No, I'm fine. Alright guys, so 2 more minutes and we get started, because we hit the milestone, 264 likes. We've hit the milestone. We were like 240 on stream and now there's about 220. There's like 30 people just disappeared. So we need the whale, we need the ducks, and we need formula. We need the wheel, we need the ducks, and we need the formula. Yeah, they wanted a sack race and they left. Surely about it. So I'm gonna inform you again, guys. No streaming on Monday and Tuesday. I'll be out having a break. We resume Wednesday with a lot of giveaways. The first giveaway today. Will be 50k YRM. How do you participate? Should be your question. Obviously, fill up the form on Formalo. Then, like the video, be subscribed to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time, with all that great things happening. And in the meantime, I'm going to post some videos on my channel, especially for Monday, Tuesday, so you can nicely have some great time. And you got to be part of the Discord, guys. I'll give you 10 seconds to do these things. Right, so people vote for 3 different numbers, 3 different entries. Alright. We're going to have for the YRM 3 different numbers, but we're going to repeat these numbers quite a few times, and just watch out. 0, 7, and 8. Oops. No, I'm going to refresh. Wait. Don't start. Wait. No. Wait. Ha. No. Wait. Wait, guys. We got to do this again. Guess the number, guys. A single guess per person between 0, 7, and 8. These are the 3 entries. 0, 7, 8. Guess the number. Best of luck, everyone. You can start right now. Yeah. You can start right now. 0, 7, and 8. This is what we got. Zero, 7, and 8. This is the first giveaway for today, 50k YRM. The next giveaway will be $150,000 Lucid Flex. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there, guys. Stop it. We're gonna shuffle and spin. It's so hard for me to guess which one is it gonna be. Attention, please, everyone. Attention. Badger will be on the duck race for both giveaways. Badger, don't forget about that one. Put your name on the duck race for both giveaways. Badger, do it. I think that's going to be the number 8, guys. I think it's going to... Oh, it's the 0. There you go. It's the 0. Congratulations. Congratulations. Ha 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 ha. Badger on the list. Congratulations. We got this one 0. Time for the duck race. Time for the duck race. We got plenty of winners here. Plenty of them. Just gotta log into my account here. We need a premium account. to run these giveaways. Guess what? Otherwise, docs are not going to be friendly with us. They're not going to be friends. 66 winners. 67 with Badger. There you go. Competition time. A single minute. Shuffle. Start right there. Best of luck, guys. This is a 50k YRM account. The last YRM account for the week. It's actually the 5th this week. And do not forget, Monday and Tuesday, no streaming. 67 ducks fighting. Quantum leading. Quantum. You're not leading on the right time frame. We're gonna have sack race, guys, for the... Look at that, who just comes through? Haha. Jalene Habaro. Look at that, Jalene. Jalene, how did you came through that? Are you here? That you filled up the form, Jalene? Yes, Jalene Habaro completely filled up the form. Congratulations. The account goes out to you. 50k YRM. Time for the wheel. Time for the wheel. And we gotta wait, because I'm gonna change these numbers. We gotta wait. Because now it's time for Lucid, 150,000 Lucid Flex. Ho, 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 ho. That's gonna be juicy. 150k Lucid Flex. Let me share with you which one do I... This one, guys. This is what I'm sharing. Lucid Flex, 150k. A big boy. Now promise me something. Winner, you want to promise me, winner. You want to promise me something. You want to give at least, and you decide how much, but at least $100 in cash back to the community, and we share that in a giveaway. If you're taking to payout, which is 2,700 net payout, you are giving at least $100 back to the community in cash, and we do it on giveaway. Okay, guys, so we've set the deal. We've set the deal. So make sure you're subscribed. Yes, you're putting your gas here, a single gas per person. A single gas per person. So, listen up, guys. Yeah, minimum 100. And then no maximum. Even more than 2,700 back. These are the numbers. 0, 1, and 2. Start right now. Best of luck, guys. 1 gas per person. We have 0, 1, and 2. Zero, 1, and 2, guys. Guess the number. And I'm preparing a surprise for you for the race. If we have more than 100 winners, we're going to have 2 rounds. Top 3 will qualify in the second round. If we have more than 200 winners, then top 5 and then top 3. So 2 extra rounds if we have 200 winners or more. Which is something I don't think so. 0, 1, and 2. 1 guess per person. Do not guess multiple time. This is 150,000 Lucid Flex, guys. Lucid right now, it's ranked the best prop firm company. We're always max discount with Scramble code right there. Appreciate it. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. It's over, guys. So no more entries. This is all we're gonna have. Best of luck, everyone. It's gonna get spicy. It's not gonna be number 2 for sure. It's not gonna be number 2. I'm fearing that number 1. I'm fearing about it, guys. For those of you that went with 0, you might be trembling, because I'm fearing that number 1. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh. Look at that. Oh. How on earth, guys? Look at that. Oh. Look at that. We would need another second, and that would have been number 1, guys. Congratulations for the winners that got on the 0. You got this one with 0. Let's see. 63 winners. 63 winners that will go to a different game. This one. 64 with Badger. It is the eggs and the spoon. 3 minutes and 2 minutes and 30 seconds competition time. Watch out, guys. I'm gonna turn off the music here. Or leaving on a low volume. Best of luck, everyone. Look at that. Oh my god. Look at that. Let's go, guys. Look at that competition time. I mean, this is heavy. Do not drop your eggs. Look at that. Trader 07, you're gonna drop your eggs. We're gonna have some scrambled eggs today, guys, for dinner. For dinner, we're gonna have some scrambled eggs. Look at that. Are you guys pushing each other there? It looks like you do push each other. Can you do that, guys? If I press a button here on my pedal, his spoon is turning around. But the Trader 07 comes back. Look at that at the top. And it's down once again. Who's gonna speed up? I'm wondering how this is looking at the end in the last 10 seconds. How does this one look like? I mean, it's clear. A bunch of guys crowded here. No one has any advantage, right? No one has any advantage. I guess they're pretty tired already. This is more than 2 minutes. It's painful, guys. It's painful to watch. Remember, 150,000 Lucid Flex. 150,000. Bricks investments. Last 10 seconds. Who's gonna speed up right now? Look at that one, guys. Who's gonna speed up right now? Terriel. Terrell Smith, look at that one. Oh my god, look at that, guys. Terrell Smith got it. Oh, that's crazy. Congratulations, Terrell Smith. Incredible. You don't believe that. You don't believe that, Terrell Smith. Tough one, but you made it. You don't believe it. There's something happening with steroids here. We're gonna find it out if you are on the list. Smith. Terrell Smith, there you go, congratulations. $150,000 Lucid Flex in your pocket. The question goes out to you right now in front of the entire community. Will you share, if reaching the payout with this account, at least $100 in cash for me to give it on giveaway to our community? Will you do that? Tell us. Tell us. No tomorrow on the wheel. Not top 3. We were less than 100, guys. Good job. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So keep in mind, Monday and Tuesday, I will be away. And I'm gonna post videos on my channel. We got them scheduled. So we're gonna have some videos out there you can nicely watch. And then we're gonna resume our trading on Wednesday. I'll be out having a break, taking a little holiday with the kids and family, and taking a nap. Thank you so much, guys. Have a lovely day, lovely time, blissful weekend, and keep in touch. We'll look forward on Discord. I'll put you the promotions on Discord. If there's any update on Monday, I'll let you know if we have things updating and moving for the promotions. Thank you, guys, once again. Have a lovely day, a lovely weekend. Peace, and we'll talk to you soon.